Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows, so Apple definitely needs to be updated here. And the first update I'm going to do is just a bit of an adjustment. And the direction, or the question becomes, well, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance up here to, what became very apparent as where the sellers were at today at that 127 mark. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but you saw what direction I adjusted that. Adjusting it in the upwards direction, which is always a good thing. Assuming you're along, that's what you want to see. You want to see levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher because that implies that higher highs you're being put into play. And that's exactly what happened here. So moving forward, like I said, newest level of resistance now going to be right up there at the 127 mark. And the other adjustment I'm going to make is adjust this area of support up to now what I would call the newest ideal level of support. Ideal support meaning, if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 125.50, that would be a very impressive sign of power. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that area, that that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price could actually stay above 125.50, that would be a fantastic sign of strength moving forward. And then as far as things are concerned from the general point of view, that's where the purple line continues to play a role. That being the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. So keep your eye on those couple of areas moving forward, but from the grand scope of things, the upwards trend continues, higher highs, higher lows. That is what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.